Hi, my name is Brittany Partridge, and I'm an attorney at Butler, Kahn. Today I'm going to talk about child safety in car accidents. In Georgia, the leading cause of death of children under the age of 12 is unfortunately car accidents. And the best way to prevent this kind of tragedy from happening is making sure that your child is belted and properly in a car seat or booster seat, depending on their height and their age. Now, if we look at the Georgia Attorney General's website, they provide information to the public about the laws in Georgia and also the statistics about car accidents involving children. Not going to repeat the unfortunate reality when it comes to car accidents and the injuries that children can sustain, but we're going to look at the actual laws in Georgia. So according to Georgia law, all children under the age of 8 whose height is less than 57 inches must ride in the back seat. So if you are pulled over and your child is under the age of 8 or under 57 inches and your child's in the front seat, you're going to get a ticket and points on your license. In addition to that, children under the age of 8 are required to either be in a car seat or booster seat suitable for their height and age. So height really does matter when it comes to the proper car seat, and that's something you can talk with your pediatrician, also look at the specific recommendations for a booster seat, but children must be in a booster seat. And this is so that they are properly belted so the seatbelt has an opportunity to save their lives and reduce injuries. That booster seat will allow the child to be up higher so the seatbelt is actually hitting them at the correct height. Now, if we look at the car seat recommendations from the National Highway Traffic and Safety Administration, you're going to see that they recommend that children from birth to up to age 3 are in a rear-facing car seat. Now, at a certain point, a child's height is going to make them transition to a forward-facing car seat. So from anywhere between age 1 to age 7, the National Highway Traffic and Safety Administration is going to recommend that your child is in a forward-facing car seat. Then, again, depending on the child's height and weight, anywhere from age 4 to age 12, a child should be in a booster seat. And again, this is to make sure that the child is properly belted and the seatbelt's hitting them in the proper space. So it's most important that a child is seatbelted, no matter what. But in order to reduce injuries and make sure a child survives a car wreck, it is imperative that your child is in a proper booster seat or car seat.